So if you remember a couple of weeks ago, Fifine sent me this right here, the K688 dynamic microphone. Did a review on. I'll leave a link for that video up in the section above. Anyway, this is the white version of the microphone, and I just absolutely love the way it looked. So Fifine said they would send me the white version of their low profile BM88 microphone arm. You can see just a little bit of it right here. It absolutely matches this microphone perfectly. We're going to go in this video today. We're going to show you everything about this new low profile arm from Fifine. Just a quick disclaimer. Everything that has been sent to me was sent to me free of charge. However, all my thoughts and opinions on the products in this video are my own, and they always will be my own. But anyway, let's jump in here. Let's check out the Fifine BM88 low profile boom arm in white. So like I said, Fifine sent me this boom arm. I've always wanted to try out a low profile boom arm. All I've ever had were, your regular scissor type boom arms. I'll show you some footage of that later on. Just show you the difference between what the low profile looks like and what your standard boom arm looks like. But anyway, let's jump up here. I want to show you everything that comes in the box when you get this microphone boom arm. All the little accessories that come with it. We'll show you how it looks whenever we're setting it up, and a few other things about it as well. And then we'll jump back over here. We'll talk about it, discuss it, and let you know everything you need to know about the BM88 low profile boom arm. So now that we've got this boom arm unboxed, let's talk about the build quality. It is all metal. The desk clamp is all metal as well. It is really, really sturdy. It is somewhat heavy, but it does allow easy use, and you can swing it away very nicely. It does come with an included Allen wrench, so you can tighten the screws up for the Allen wrench. I currently do not have it, but it will simply allow you to swing it away, very easily when it's not in use. If you want to tighten up the screw with the included Allen wrench, you can. However, like I said, I don't have it tightened up because I want to be able to swing it out whenever it's not in use. Again, this boom arm is really nice quality built. It comes with an adapter, that way you can attach your microphone to the end of the boom arm. It comes with an adapter also for a 3/8 or 5/8 inch microphone. You can remove the attachment or the shoe that is on the end of the microphone boom arm in the event that you want to pack it up and carry it somewhere else. It does have a nice channel raceway that runs along the underside of each one of the arms. I will say this, that the channel raceway cover, it does take a little bit of effort to get it unlocked. You just push it down in the opposite direction of the arrow. That way you can remove it. It will allow you to replace, in this case here, I'm using the USB version of the K688. You can use an XLR microphone as well. The channel is deep enough to be able to put an XLR cable or any other cable in there for that fact. Snap it back on, and then you push it in the opposite direction. Instead of pushing it down, you push it back in the direction of the arrow to snap it back in place. Cable runs very nicely down here. It does stick out a little bit when it goes from each section of the arm, but it is hid very nicely, and you can use some cabling as well, or some adjustment straps as well if you want to hide it a little bit better. But again, this microphone arm is actually really, really nice, really sturdy, and I actually really do like this microphone arm. So there's not really a whole lot you can actually say about the BM88 other than the fact that it does have really great build quality. The price is not extremely high. I think it's about 58 bucks on Amazon right now. If you want to pick it up, I'll leave you an affiliate link. Again, that is an affiliate link, so it does help me out if you were to purchase this directly from Amazon. Again, build quality is awesome. I love the fact that it is low profile as well, that you can actually position it. I currently do not have it in an ideal spot. If I were to be using this microphone personally for myself, I would actually stick it on this side over here where my current boom arm is. That way it would not get in the way of me using my mouse and things like that. Overall, I really do like the BM88 white low profile boom arm. If you have a white setup, and the great thing about it is it's not completely white. It does have some little black accents on each section of the boom arm itself. So if you want to do a solid white setup, you still can do this even though the accents are black and white. I think it actually offers a little bit of a nice touch to it, some different variation in the color. It's not just strictly straight white. The paint job on it's done really well. There were a few chip spots I noticed on certain sections of the arm itself, but overall this boom arm is super nice, super clean, and it will look great in any setup that you have. Again, if you want to pick up the microphone to match it, white version of the mic, white version of the arm. There are black versions as well if you're sticking to all black. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed looking at what Fifine has been doing. I really enjoy the products that they send me, and they do some really, really nice stuff. Anyway, look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, much love, peace out, and we'll see you soon.